divide 852 by 6 in long division method. 6 times 1 is 6. On subtracting, we get 2. So now this 2 is less than 6. So we put down this 5 and it is 25. 6 times 4 is 24. On subtracting, we get 1. So again this 1 is less than 6. So we put down this 2 and it is 12. 6 times 2 is 12. On subtracting, we get 0. So 852 divided by 6 is 142. So this much for today and thanks for watching.